All right, we're on the next step, boys and girls. This one, very important. You have got to do this. This is what your participation credit is going to come from while we're doing our PE online. When I go to my classwork, all of my tabs are over here. Daily fitness and health. This is so important. You will see new assignments posted regularly. And sometimes all of this gets real confusing, and that's okay. So my suggestion is while it's on this page to scroll down to the daily fitness and health check-in. Here you're going to see, oh, there's the clipboard assignment. And here it says 327. So this is the daily fitness and health check-in for March 27th. Click on it and then click view assignment. Okay, we're not creating. Got it. You don't have to create anything because I already did it for you. Your teachers are here to do that for you, especially in middle school. This link will take you to the website that we use. So your daily fitness, your daily workout of the day is over here to the left. I click on workout of the day. This one happens to be the protector, not for the 27th. Note on the bottom of my screen here that I'm recording this at 9:52 p.m. on March 26th. So you do this workout. You pick your level. Level 1, 3 sets. Level 2, 5 sets. Level 3, 7 sets. Then I come back and I go to my daily fitness and health check-in. This is for Friday, March 27th. So you know you're in the right one if it has the correct date on top. You put your name in with a capital last name first, then a capital first name. Look, I even put a comma here. You need to do that. It helps me sort these out. Pick your section, and then here is the daily activity challenge. Every day there's a different challenge. This one's fun. You can do it with a friend, with your parents, or with a sibling. Who won and what did the winner pick for their exercise? Workout of the day. Just in case you didn't go to that site first, I provided that link for you again. Click on the workout of the day. Tell me the name. Did you complete it? Be honest. Have some integrity. And what level did you do? Describe the workout. I want you to tell me all of these different things. I did 10 calf raises, 20 squats, 10 more calf raises, 20 scissor chops, 20 arm scissors, 20 scissor chops, 10 bridges, 10 leg raises, and 10 bridges. If you don't know what the exercises are, you can find them right up here. Boys and girls, when you're done with this, click submit, and it will do all the work for you. You have nothing else to do. That's it. You can come over here when you're done, click mark is done, and then that's it. So I turn in the assignment when I get to the bottom and click submit. Then I come back and I click that I turned it in. All right, boys and girls, good luck.